Okay, I'm going to do a short video review of the Haisstronica solder seal wire connectors. I own other Haisstronica tools and have found them to be of very good quality, so I expect these to work quite well too. Today's project, I'm extending a 10 gauge wire in a lighting project. So I've used these types of solder seal wire connectors in the past for automotive and marine applications, and found them to work quite well if you know how to seal them properly or heat them properly. So first we're going to strip the 10 gauge wire. There we go. And select the correct solder seal. So we're going to slip. I like to twist the wire a little bit. And then insert them in the connector. Like so. Then we want to get the two wires centered underneath the solder band. And now we'll take the heat gun to the connector. Now the idea here is to heat evenly and focus your heat on the solder band in the center. So you want to keep your heat on the solder band until you see it melt around the wires like it's doing right now. And then we'll come in from the other side. And now I can see that the solder is flowing on the wires quite well. And we'll let it cool down. And that's how it's done. And by the way, these connectors are really quite good. I like the way that they flowed without over melting, and made a very, very good solid connection.